Welcome back to SA Live. Well, did you know it's Senior Health Month? Gonzaba Medical Group is celebrating 60 years of serving San Antonio, and throughout the pandemic, the doctors and staff there have been making senior health a top priority. Joining us now is Dr. Greg Gonzaba. Good afternoon.
Hi, Fiona. Good afternoon to you as well.
All right. Why is Senior Health Month important?
Oh, goodness. For multiple reasons, Fiona. Senior Health Month is at one time of year that we focus all of our attention to making sure the seniors are taken care of for the rest of the year. So it highlights, first off, their relationship with their existing doctor. It highlights their health, their activities, current medications, and it's just a good way to once a year revisit and make sure everything's planned for their care for the rest of the year.
Now, COVID-19 may have, kind of scared people away from going to the doctor, but you have ways to keep patients safe while still taking care of their health. Tell us about some of them.
Absolutely. Well, of course, we practice social distancing and the use of PPE. But in addition to that, we pre-screen the patients before they come in. We actually pre-screen our employees to make sure no one here has any COVID symptoms. And definitely, as many physicians have used, is the telehealth when necessary. So we try to keep a very safe environment. The last thing we want to do is infect our patients when they come in, or as well be infected.
So what are the keys to health for seniors? What do they need to keep doing? What do they need to keep in mind?
That is a very, very good question. So 3 or 4 fundamentals that are often important. One is stay very active as possible. That means Zumba, dancing, walking, just physically move and stay active. Secondly, have a balanced diet that's rich in fruits and vegetables, which is very important to promote the immune system. Thirdly, to keep a really good relationship with their primary care doctor. That's very key because sometimes patients have symptoms and they're just unaware of what they are. And then lastly, to think positive, think happy, and just try to enjoy life because mental happiness and health goes a long way to physical health.
Oh, yeah, that last point is incredibly important. And what a lot of folks tend to forget, is that's kind of where it needs to start, So you're a
Absolutely.
local physician-owned practice. Why is that important
Yes.
for the community you serve?
Well, so, there's lots of medical groups in town, but the difference with us is that we are local. Right here in San Antonio, my dad started practicing 60 years ago, and from that, we've grown to several clinics in San Antonio. The reason that is important is because we're in touch with the pulse in the community of San Antonio, and we try to meet their needs. We're not corporately owned. There's no one from out of state making calls and decisions on how we run things. And honestly, we really are concerned about outcomes of wellness with patients, not so much the bottom financial line. So we're homegrown and we're here to help our community.
All right, Dr. Greg Gonzaba, thank you so much for your time. We greatly appreciate it. And for more information on Gonzaba Medical Group, just call 210-960-8956 or visit the website gonzaba.com.